Welcome to today's quick guide where I'll walk you through the simple steps to remove a personal folder in Telegram Web on your PC. Whether you're decluttering your chat list or reorganizing your workspace, this process is straightforward and takes just moments. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram Web on your computer. You can access this by visiting the official Telegram website and logging into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the top side menu. Here, you'll see all your existing folders, including the personal folder we're focusing on today. Now, here's the key step. Right-click directly on the personal folder in that menu. A context menu will pop up with several options. From this list, select Delete Folder. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to proceed. This is Telegram's way of making sure you don't accidentally remove something important. Go ahead and confirm the deletion by clicking Delete or Confirm, whichever wording your version of Telegram uses. That's it. The folder will vanish immediately, along with all the chats you've organized within it. Don't worry, deleting the folder doesn't delete the chats themselves. They'll simply return to your main chat list, ready to be reorganized or left as is. A quick note. If you change your mind later, you can always recreate the folder and add chats back to it. Telegram's folder system is flexible, so you're never locked into a specific setup. And that's all there is to it. Removing a personal folder in Telegram Web is a breeze once you know where to look. Whether you're streamlining your workflow or just prefer a minimalist chat layout, this feature puts you in control. Thanks for following along, and if you found this helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might need it. Until next time, happy organizing.